Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be sharing with you guys how I was able to achieve this twist out on my natural hair. First, I like to start off with clean washed hair. I just washed my hair and it's almost dry because I've had the towel on my head for at least an hour. So let's get into it. I start by sectioning my hair into 4 portions. It makes it easy for me to really work on my hair when it's sectioned. And also, if your hair is very full, you find that sectioning your hair makes it really easy for you to work on your hair. So I'm just going to section it into 4 and work section by section. So when I'm done sectioning, I just like to divide the one part that I'm going to be working with. I'll just divide it into 2 to make it easier to detangle and to apply my product. So I'm just going to put half of it away and just work with this half. First, I like to go in with water because at this point my hair is already dry. So I just want to make sure that you moisten your hair a bit before applying your product. And then I'll go in my leave-in conditioner. I'm using the leave-in conditioning mist from Cantu line. And then I'm applying my curling cream, and I'm using the coconut curling cream from Cantu. I really like this product. I really like to use this product to twist my hair because it gives me definition. So at this point, you just want to make sure that you detangle your hair properly. I'll be using my detangling comb, my detangle tweezer. You can use whatever comb you have to just detangle. When I'm done, I just like to take a sizable portion of hair, and this is the portion I'll be twisting. Next, I just like to apply a little product just to make it curly. Lastly, I like to go in my gel. I'm using the flaxseed gel from Aunt Jackie's. So just apply the product, apply it, make sure that it's well detangled. And yeah, that's about it. Then just twist. So you want to separate it into 2 and then just twist it. I really don't know how to explain, but I'm just going to slow it down so that you can see what it looks like while I'm twisting it. You just want to take 2 portions of hair and just put one under the other one. I don't know if that sounds right. So I just like to apply more gel to my ends just to make sure that it's nice and curly. Yes, so this is what it looks like. You can see how curly the tip is. So yeah, that's it. It's very simple. That's how to twist your hair. So I'll just do this all over my hair and show you guys how I take it out. So at this point, I'm almost done. I just want to come back and show you guys what it looks like. So it's easy, guys. Apply water, your leave-in conditioner, your curling cream, and then a little bit of gel to just give it that extra hold, and then just twist it. And just to put this out there, you don't have to twist your hair in this size. I like twisting my hair medium sized because I want to have a lot of definition when I take out my twist. So the smaller your twist, the better your definition. So this is what my hair pretty much looks like after twisting my entire head. So yeah, I'm just going to go to bed and see you the next day. Yeah, so this is the next day and I'm about to take off my twist. First of all, I will just put the front part away so that I can easily work with the back part of my hair. So I like to apply oil. Just apply oil to my hair before I take out my twist, just to give it that extra shine, and then help to reduce frizz. So you just want to apply a little oil as you take off your twist. Now to take out the twist is really simple. So you just want to separate the twist carefully. You want to be careful when you're doing this so that you don't ruin your twist. So you just separate it carefully, and then further separate it into 2 or 3. Depends on the definition you're looking for. But I just separate it into 3, and yes, that's just how I do it. You just have to be very careful so that you don't end up ruining your twist, and you don't want to separate it too much so that you don't have very frizzy hair. So it's that easy. It's very, very easy. You just unravel your twist and you separate it into 3 portions or 4 portions, depends on you actually. So I'll just do this and show you guys what it looks like when I'm done. Yeah, so I'm done separating my twist. This is what my hair looks like after taking down my twist and separating them. So I'm just showing you guys close up what it looks like. So the next thing I like to do is to go in with my comb. You want to use a big white tooth comb, a big comb when you're doing this, so that you don't rip out your hair. So just like to pick for more volume. Just pick the hair from the root, not so much, but just do this little by little, just to make sure that your hair is it looks bigger, and yeah, it's just to make it bigger basically. So you want to pick your hair, pick it to make sure that you have the right volume and size. It depends on your preference. So I don't really apply gel on my edges, so I just take my spray bottle and apply a little water to my edges and just brush it to give it that sleek look. Most people will use gel, but I don't really use gel on my hair. And then that's it. Then I just take a bobby pin and pin that side of my hair backwards, just to give it that look basically. It's no particular reason, just to give it a different look. And I like to do this in front of my hair too. I like to just take out a portion of my hair at the front and just pin it forward, just to give that illusion that you have longer hair in front. Just give it that illusion that your hair is long. If your hair is really long, you really don't have to do this, but it's just for people that have short hair. You just want to make your hair appear longer in front. So yeah, you just pin it forward and just pretty much arrange your hair, make sure it looks nice, pick it, but you don't want to pick it too much so that you don't ruin your twist out. So yeah, simple guys, that's pretty much how I achieve my twist out. You pick it, you arrange it until you're satisfied with the way it looks. And that's pretty much what I do. It's not so difficult, very simple. So I'm just going to show you guys what my hair looks like close up, after my twist out. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Please Don't forget to subscribe and like my video. See you.